Alright, here we go. Let's try this bad boy here. Sealed case, sealed case, sealed case, sealed case. There we go. We sure are, Sooner. We're going to do it right now. Just going to get this last personal out of the way. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll run another auction of this stuff. 3. Alright. Best of hockey. Good luck. Oh, wow, look at that. Jack Eichel, rookie autograph. Wow. Oh, man, that thing is fat. Holy crap. What is this? Well, it's 0.5 away from being a 10, but 10-10. All right. Oh, there's only 15 of them too. At least you know the print run on it. Yeah, we're gonna run another auction right now. We're gonna do another case of this stuff. All right, let me stop this video. Here's why I have a problem with